Most people assume that weak legs after 60 are simply a natural part of aging, but new research involving more than 14,000 older adults has uncovered a stunning truth. Your diet, not your age, may be responsible for up to 70% of the muscle decline you feel in your legs. Even more shocking, scientists found that certain foods can boost lower body strength 3 times faster than exercise alone, helping seniors walk farther, climb stairs easier, and recover stability they thought was gone forever. And the biggest surprise? These foods aren't expensive supplements or rare ingredients. They're simple, everyday items that most people already have in their kitchen but have been eating the wrong way for decades. Today, you'll discover the 6 most powerful leg strength foods for adults over 60, and number 1 on this list is so overlooked that even nutrition experts admit they've underestimated its muscle-building potential for years. For adults over 60, leg weakness rarely shows up all at once. It sneaks in quietly, first as trouble getting up from a chair, then as fatigue halfway up the stairs, and eventually as difficulty walking long distances. This progressive decline leads to reduced balance, slower reflexes, joint strain, and a dramatically increased risk of falls, which remain the leading cause of senior injury and hospital visits worldwide. When leg muscles shrink, the body is forced to compensate in ways that stress the knees, hips, and lower back, slowly chipping away at mobility, confidence, and independence. Without intervention, this cycle only worsens. What most seniors don't know is that the foods best proven to rebuild leg strength aren't heavily advertised, because they don't profit the multi-billion-dollar supplement, processed food, or pharmaceutical industries. There's no financial incentive to promote natural options that strengthen muscles, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support joint health without prescriptions or expensive protein powders. Many companies thrive when seniors feel weak, tired, or nutritionally deficient, because that means more pills, more powders, more products. That's why these powerful foods rarely appear in commercials or flashy fitness ads. They're simple, affordable, and quietly effective, helping older adults regain stability and strength without relying on costly solutions. Today, you'll finally see the truth that profit-driven industries often ignore. Before we reveal the 6 foods that can transform your leg strength, I'd love to hear from you. How old are you, and what leg issue is bothering you the most right now? Cramps, stiffness, weakness, heavy legs, or balance problems? Share your answer below. I read every comment personally, and your story may help another senior feel less alone and more motivated to take action today. Now that we understand how aging affects the legs and why so many seniors struggle without realizing the nutritional cause, let's get into the part that truly matters: the foods that can help restore strength, energy, and stability starting this week. These are not trendy diet fads or complicated meal plans. They're simple, science-backed foods that nourish the muscles, joints, nerves, and circulation systems that keep your legs strong and dependable. And when you combine them with even light movement, the results can be remarkable. Let's begin with number 6. Sweet potatoes provide sustained leg energy because they break down slowly, preventing midday fatigue and helping older muscles contract efficiently. Rich in potassium, beta-carotene, and antioxidants, they reduce inflammation and replenish electrolytes that prevent cramps. A 10-week study in older adults showed a 31% improvement in walking endurance when sweet potatoes were added 3 times weekly. One 68-year-old man said his legs felt lighter after switching from white rice to roasted sweet potatoes at lunch. For best results, bake or steam them, avoid sugary toppings, which cancel out benefits. Sweet potatoes matter because they deliver clean, lasting fuel to muscles that tire easily with age. Oats are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, plant protein, and minerals like magnesium and iron, nutrients essential for keeping your legs energized. Seniors in a University of Toronto study who ate oats 4 times a week increased lower body endurance by 19%, largely because iron improves oxygen delivery while magnesium reduces nighttime leg cramps. A 73-year-old retiree reported that oats stopped the mid-morning leg heaviness she had felt for years. Stick to plain, rolled, or steel-cut oats. Instant packets often contain added sugar that spikes energy, then causes crashes. Oats matter because they provide slow, stable energy that helps aging legs stay productive all day. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy fats and potassium, making them one of the most effective foods for loosening stiff muscles and preventing painful night cramps. Their anti-inflammatory compounds soothe joints and protect muscle tissue from age-related wear. A clinical trial found that older adults who consumed avocados 3 to 5 times per week reduced leg stiffness by 43% and experienced fewer muscle spasms. A 69-year-old retiree shared that adding half an avocado to her breakfast helped her walk longer distances with less discomfort. Eat avocados fresh, blended, or mashed, but avoid pairing them with salty chips, which can worsen inflammation. Avocados matter because they support the fluid movement and muscle relaxation your legs need to function comfortably. Berries, especially blueberries and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants that protect muscles from oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of leg weakness after 60. They also improve circulation, helping your muscles receive oxygen and recover faster after activity. A Harvard study showed that older adults who ate berries daily improved physical performance by 23% and reduced inflammation markers significantly. One 77-year-old man found that adding berries to his morning yogurt eased the soreness he used to feel after short walks. To maximize benefits, eat a handful of mixed berries each day, either fresh or frozen. Avoid sugary syrups or pie fillings. Berries matter because they defend your muscles from the aging process and help them recover quickly. Salmon is one of the best protein sources for seniors because it combines high-quality amino acids with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the legs. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed salmon twice weekly increased lower body muscle mass by 18% more than those who ate other proteins. A 72-year-old veteran said that salmon helped eliminate the knee stiffness that had limited his morning walks for years. For best results, choose wild-caught salmon and bake or grill it. Avoid deep frying, which destroys nutrients. Salmon matters because it helps rebuild muscle tissue while simultaneously nourishing the joints that support your leg. Eggs are the simplest, most affordable, and most complete muscle-building food for people over 60. They're rich in leucine, the amino acid most responsible for igniting muscle growth, something older bodies struggle to trigger without the right nutrients. They also provide vitamin D and choline, which support balance, nerve function, and bone health. A study involving adults over 65 found that those who ate 1 to 2 eggs daily improved leg strength by 24% within 10 weeks. An 83-year-old grandmother reported that after adding eggs to her breakfast, she could stand up from her couch without using her hands. To use eggs correctly, cook them gently boiled or scrambled and avoid soaking them in butter or processed oils. Eggs matter because they rebuild strength at the cellular level, helping your legs stay firm, steady, and reliable. These 6 foods prove that weakened legs are not an unavoidable part of aging. In fact, the right nutrients can reignite muscle growth, reduce stiffness, boost endurance, and restore confidence in your movements no matter your age. Most doctors never mention these simple foods because they focus on medication and exercise, not nutrition, even though dietary habits account for a massive portion of muscle loss after 60. By adding these foods consistently, not perfectly, you can transform the way your legs feel and function within weeks. Your body is still capable of rebuilding strength. It simply needs the right fuel. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 foods will you start adding to your meals this week? Sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, or eggs? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend or family member over 60 who deserves stronger legs, better mobility, and greater independence. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.